My name is Lucas and I'm creator of the DesignKit Figma plugin. In this video, I will show you how to use this plugin and all free and pro feature. So let's start. When you download Figma desktop application and create your first Figma file, when you start the plugin, you will see this screen with the 5 tabs. Let's start to look at them more deeply. The first tab is called Import, where you can import your Power Apps solution and particular YAML file of your Canvas application. On the bottom, you can see Get Pro button, where you can order the pro version of this plugin. Data Maker is a maker of your faking data, and the free version you can put only the JSON file where a view of your model-driven application will be generated. In export, it's only one functionality where you can export your designed screen, for example, as you see on the left side. In the next video, I'll show you how to import and export applications. Helper tab helps you to generate a list of prefixes. In the free version, you can find particular components, mainly from the classic Canvas applications. Appropriate prefix. Every prefix represents Power Apps component, as you see on the right side. When we click on the prepared screen, you can see the concrete prefixes which are represented here. Power BI as the generator of the Canvas layout background. So in DesignKit helps you to prepare some concrete background. So just select the background color, control color, number of columns, number of rows, and DesignKit will generate some boxes with the concrete background, which you can export in Figma to the PNG file and import to your Power BI report. The last thing, what is here is the place where you can put your license key. All information about the DesignKit you can find on the mycondy.com/designkit, where is described all basic information of some features, plus the links for the videos, documentation, pricing, and community portal. Here, if you want to check the wall functionality of the DesignKit, here is the link where you can find every feature of the free and pro version. And last link represents the customer portal where you can report the bug, such as some improvement, put a question about licensing or other questions. Let's go to pro version. We activated the pro version and let's go through all tabs what is inside. There is more functionalities for the importing. There are 2 pro features. DesignKit is able to import and export your design system. It means that, for example, here we are in plugins file, which contains 4 pages. So DesignKit is able to import and export Figma file to JSON. And the second thing is in the Pro version, you can import some pre-prepared model-driven components like navbar, sitemap, ribbon, view, form, subgrid, or small dialog. When you just select the component and put submit, the concrete component will be generated. In remote, you can import your canvas YAML files from the Git. So only what you need is your token and URL link. In DataMaker, you have much more possibilities how to generate fake data. The first is you can put also XML format and select if you want to put view or form model-driven format. And last, you can generate your data from the Mockery. If you do not know what Mockery is, you can go to Mockery. You can specify your field names and types and generate number of rows for the particular format like XML, JSON, CSV, and you can download it in your local storage, or you can create the profile. And when you do this, automatically you will have generating this X API key, and you can specify your particular endpoint. So it means like here that you can create your endpoint, specify how many rows, what kind of fields and types of columns will be there. And when you call your endpoint, you can import to Figma your data as a view or form component. In the export, you can create new prefixes for the YAML file, validate screens, duplicate. So what everything means, the first one is when you create some screen, and so the DesignKit will create the basic prefixes for your export. How we have specified here, automatically DesignKit recognize rectangle, label, SVG button, container, and circle. Validate will check your screen if you do not have duplicity under your naming. Maybe you know that Power Apps does not allow you to use same naming. Duplicate screen is that the screen, when you have created with already prepared prefixes, will be duplicated, but with a unique name. The PDF is a functionality that helps you to generate some template for your documentation. So when you click on the generate, the template will be created where you can put the project title, description, place your already prepared screens, and put your design system like colors, typography, or images. When you have already prepared this template, you can select template frame and export to PDF. The last tab, as I mentioned, you can helper is mostly the same, but the list of prefixes is much more bigger because you will find here also the pro prefixes included in this template, which represents again some modern Power Apps component plus some custom components made it by me. In the next version, you will have more possibilities of importing components. Last thing called features. These features are joined with the add prefixes feature, where you can switch on two different functionalities. So when you switch on the first one feature, then In the YAML file will be also included all hidden objects. For the second one is when you click at prefixes and switch on this feature, instead of rectangle will be replaced by HTML prefix. It's great to use it if you use gradient colors or some shadowing. And the last cool thing here is when you need more spaces, you can minimize and maximize your DesignKit plugin. Okay, great. This was all about this intro. In the next video, I will show you how to import and export your Canvas application. Thank you for watching.